Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on ZTE Blade A71. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside try to find app called Notify Buddy. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Move to the next step and grant two permissions. First being overlay permission. And the next one is notification permission. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it. I'm gonna leave it enabled. Now let's proceed. And from here, our app is ready. Now we can see 4 tabs. There's a user in which you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notification. There's a system in which you can find all system-bound apps. In active, there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now press on this test button to see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.